Hello. Hi everyone. Today in Slovakia is 27 February, is in calendar name Alexander, and I have one boy. We are very friendly who have that name Alex. It's short. And he gave me on Christmas a very nice postcard, wishing card with mailbox. So today I make him for that celebration uh, mini album because he have a little cat. So that album is with cat. Let's see what I did. Paper is from Mintai. It's just few sheets of the paper I have, but was enough for that cute album. Okay, so it's cat here and try to catch that blueberry or camera, I don't know. And when I open, it's a sleeping cat with a pocket, and each pocket have that card is they are in Mintai. She have 12 cards like that on one sheet, but I want for Alex to write some story about his cat, so I glue on back of that card that accordion. He can write story about his cat. Here we have acetate window, and inside is, it's hard to, inside is a card. We can change photos there, so that is second. Here how I tell was a paper 12 by 12, so I cut paper for 4 pieces, so already from one sheet I have 4 pieces for cover that mini album, and each have that similar card with that accordion behind. Also here, photo can come also here, and I fussy cut cat and many things I fussy cut, so I add that cute cat there. Next, here is sleeping cat, and pocket is also here, and here is pocket on the bottom, and cat look at through the window, and I fussy cut that bird. Next, I fussy cut the cat and that basket, and also is cut with that accordion, and I glue that fussy cutting images to make a pocket for card. Here also I fussy cut the chair and that cup with fruit, and again is, and I think it's so cute idea about that card with possibility to write something or put photos also. So here, cute cat. And here I don't want cover that images, so I put acetate pocket. Again with card. Next, I fussy cut this plates with cookies, and pocket is aside, and also it's card with accordion behind. I fussy cut window here and put acetate there, and we can change this not last. I don't have, because for that album you need 14 cards, so 2 of them is missing. doesn't matter, it's look perfect. And I fussy cut that sleeping cat and glue him on the bottom. Next, look at that cute, cute, cute cat. And I have to show you that was so cute paper. Look at that cat. It's so nice. He looking what is on the table. Okay, so that is my teeny mini gift album for Alex. I hope I inspire you, and I am so, so happy. I use last papers which stay, I don't know, maybe 5 years. I don't know when the collection was coming. And thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Your comment, of course, help me to make more something interesting. Again, thank you, and see you on next time. Bye bye, guys.